káàbọ̀ sórí ètò Ogbaenutan. Àwọn fídíò kan wà tí mo fẹ́ fi hàn yín kẹ́ lè mọ̀ wípé apààyàn ò kì í kọ́ sójú, apààyàn ò kì í kọ́ sójú o, kò ń kọ́ sójú o. Àwọn mẹ́tẹ̀ẹ̀ta ni kílà, àwọn tẹ́ bá rí ojú wọn ó tutù mínímíní bí ẹ̀fọ́ òwúrọ̀. Má jẹ́ kéèyàn pa ẹ́, mò ń sọ fún ọ, ọmọ ọ̀dọ̀ tó fi poison sínú oúnjẹ ọ̀gá ẹ̀. Gbogbo ìpátá lè máa rí àti ìdí tó ń fẹ́ pààyàn, gbogbo tẹ́lẹ̀ máa rí àbẹ́lẹ̀ tó yẹ pé àwọn pààyàn, in fact tẹ́ bá wojú bọ̀bọ́ yẹn ẹ lè mọ̀ pé kílà ni.
What's your name?
My name is Peace.
Peace who?
Peace David Bassi. Peace David Bassi.
How old are you?
16.
16 years old.
Yeah.
Okay. What happened today?
I want to poison mommy and the children.
Speak out so that I can hear you.
I want to poison mommy and the children and the mommy brother.
Why?
Because I want to carry money.
You want to what?
I want to carry money.
You want to carry money
Yeah.
and do what? You want to carry money and do what?
I want to carry money and run.
And run away.
Yeah.
Where do you want to run to?
Calabar.
Calabar. Did she wrong you?
No.
Did she offend you?
No.
Did she put you in school?
Yes.
Did you used to eat in the house?
Yes.
So, why do you want to kill her?
Because I want to carry money.
Because you want to carry money.
Yes.
You have our ATM pin.
Yes.
You know the number.
Yes.
Her ATM number.
Yes.
You have it.
Yes.
You want to kill her and carry your money and carry her money and run.
Yes.
So if you kill all this family now, what did you gain? Okay, let's say you put that right poison, all of them die. What will be your gain? Maybe police will come and carry Miracle.
No.
Because they will feel you guys plan it together. Abi? So why do you want to kill her?
I want to carry money.
Because you want to carry money. You said? Which poison do you want to use and kill them?
Rat poison.
Rat poison.
Yeah.
Where did you get the rat poison from?
The one where they bought.
The one they bought.
Yeah.
So you want to put it in their food
Yeah.
and kill all of them.
Yeah.
Where did you keep the poison?
For kitchen.
How long have you kept the rat poison there?
It did.
Don't they?
Yeah.
So you want to... The day you want to poison mommy, what happened?
I want to put the rat poison before mommy came to kitchen.
For mommy...
Before mommy came to kitchen.
Okay, before mommy came to kitchen.
Yeah.
Where you want to put the rat poison?
For mommy tea.
Inside her tea.
Yeah.
Okay. It's alright. You say your name is what again?
Peace David Bassi.
Peace what?
David Bassi.
How old are you again?
16.
16. It's okay. Hope this did I beat you? Did I touch you? I use gun? No. Okay. I use cutlass? Okay. I know why they ask. Thank you.
We use plank to kill him. We by using it on his body and his head. We went there with gun, but we did not use the gun. We used plank to kill him and his girlfriend, and we dumped the corpse there. And I took his car back to our Jebu police station because there is nothing I want to do with this car. Why did you I called him Alpha boss because I do call him boss because he know more about the work than me. Alpha, he said he will get back to me that I should send my account number. Which I did. Since then till May, nothing. The last time I saw him was at Oru Station, Oru bus stop, where he came to shop at the Happy Mall. It was with him and the present number 2 of their of their Alora confraternity that both came. I tried to talk to that one to talk to him on my behalf because of my money. That one said I should. That one told me to send my account number that he will send me whatever he has now. which I did instantly. Till then, I didn't see nothing. The next thing I started noticing on my phone was like calling, straight calling, like we've collected the money, nothing you can do.
In an emotion-laden voice, Julian's mother, who only had 2 kids, said the pains and trauma of losing one of them was too much for her to bear, calling on government to ensure justice is served on the matter.
This is cold-blooded mother. So whatever cold-blooded mother deserves is what they should get. They shouldn't leave. We're not supposed to have this kind of people around. These are young people who go to school. I miss my daughter. I have dreams for her. I have dreams with her. She's my friend. She's my sister. She has a brother who is grieving. I couldn't even let him come here so that he doesn't fall apart. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I do to get through the day. But every day, it's not reality.
We want judgment to prevail. Them to kíjọba ṣe ìdájọ́ tó bá yẹ lórí wọn. Kíjọba ṣe judgment to prevail. Kọ́ ṣe ìdájọ́ tó bá tọ́ lórí wọn. Kí àwọn tó kù pé those people, the remaining people, they learn lesson there. We want other people to learn lesson from them.
While assuring them that no criminal will go on for them to work effectively.
It is also a signal to would-be criminals that the command is serious in its war against crime and that the state will never be a conducive atmosphere for them to operate.
Kidnapping, courtism to murder. One of the cases that attracted the attention of journalists was a murder case involving one Muritala Babatunde and Taiwo Razak, popularly known as Iku.
The IGP Intelligence Response Unit went into action along with our crack team from Ogun State. Based on technical intelligence and investigation, it led to the arrest of 2 suspects, namely Muritala Babatunde and Taiwo Razak, from whom an iPhone X with a Etisalat SIM and 2 pairs of canvas shoes belonging to Oriade Adebisi were recovered.
They are members of Aye confraternity and they confessed to be the killers of a 300-level computer science undergraduate, Oriade Adebisi, and his girlfriend, Julian A.K. Imaga, who was a law student of the same university. 29-year-old Muritala, who is a university dropout, collecting money from a deal he introduced him to without giving him his share. He said Oriade, whom he alleged to be a member of Buccaneer confraternity, was also using his rival court group to threaten him, and noted that prompted him to take his life.